Hello guys, I am Manju Sharma. In this video, we will start our new chapter, that is human reproduction. As we all know, in human, two types of reproductive system are found. Those are male reproductive system and female reproductive system. So, in this video, we start the topic male reproductive system. The male reproductive system or any reproductive system in human located in the pelvis region. Now, what is the pelvis region? The region located between the abdomen and legs is known as pelvis region. The male reproductive system has four main parts. These are testes, accessory ducts, glands, and external genitalia, or also known as penis. Now we will study about the testes. The testes can be defined as the typical paired male reproductive gland that produces sperm and secretes testosterone. And in most mammal is contained within a scrotum at sexual maturity. Now, what is scrotum? Scrotum is the pouch in which the testes are situated, and it helps in maintaining the low temperature of the testes necessary for the spermatogenesis. The testes are generally oval shaped with the length of about 4 to 5 cm and a width of 2 to 3 cm. Each testis has about 250 compartments are known as testicular lobules. These lobules contain 1 to 3 highly coiled tubules known as seminiferous tubules. Each seminiferous tubule is lined on inside by two types of cells. These are male germ cell or spermatogonium and Sertoli cells. The male germ cell or spermatogonia undergoes meiotic divisions, finally leading to sperm formation. And the main function of the Sertoli cells is to provide nutrition to the germ cell. And the region outside the seminiferous, these are the seminiferous tubule, and the region outside these cells is known as interstitial spaces. These spaces contains small blood vessels and interstitial cells or Leydig cells. Leydig cells synthesize and secretes testicular hormones, which is androgen. In the next video, we will study about the another parts of male reproductive system. Till then, bye bye and thanks for watching my video.